Are you curious about lavender essential oil uses? We all want to feel whole and healthy, and we are at a time when people are looking for a more natural and safe approach for addressing both physical and emotional needs and bridge the gap in our wellness. Quality essential oils are a great addition to your in-home toolbox of wellness tools, and today we're going to explore some ways you can use doTERRA lavender in a variety of applications for the whole family. My name is Carla Santiago, a certified Qigong teacher and essential oil specialist. I combine the wisdom of these two ancient health modalities in today's modern world to reduce stress, increase vitality, and teach mind and body wellness tips for elevating our wellness journey. If you are looking for ways to consistently nurture mind, body wellness, hit the subscribe button and stick around to the end, and I'll share my free essential oils for stress and sleep resource. The use of lavender dates back to over 2,500 years, and it has been truly cherished by various ancient civilizations for its aromatic and medicinal properties. As we fast forward to present day, lavender essential oil remains one of the most beloved and versatile essential oils in the world. Its popularity is due to its soothing scent, numerous health benefits, and wide range of practical uses. Let's dive into some of those uses now. The three main constituents of lavender is what makes it cleansing, soothing, and calming to the body, the skin, and our emotions. Let's talk about the skin, our largest organ. Think of lavender when you need to soothe and restore the skin. Apply topically to soothe minor skin irritations, blemishes, bug bites, and to restore stretch marks, fine lines, and/or wrinkles. You can apply lavender directly on the skin or make a roller with a carrier oil to have on hand for different type of applications, from skin irritations to head tension. You can also add a drop or two of lavender to your daily facial moisturizer for those restorative benefits, or body butter to apply to a larger area of the skin. And that would be especially beneficial for your skin after a day in the sun, for example. We all have aging skin, and what we do today will impact how our skin looks in the future. Lavender oil will also soothe dry, damaged cuticles. So as you're unwinding at the end of the day, massage a drop of lavender into your cuticles, and you'll get the side benefit of also unwinding your mind and emotions. doTERRA's lavender comes in both a 15 ml bottle of pure essential oil and a 10 ml roller pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil. We call this the Lavender Touch. You can also purchase empty roller bottles and make your own diluted rollers, and maybe add other oils to enhance your particular goal for using it. For example, for healthy eyebrows, you can add 10 drops each of lavender and rosemary oil into a 10 ml roller with castor oil or fractionated coconut oil and apply daily to your eyebrows. Now let's talk about its calming benefits. We love lavender for its calming benefits. Diffuse it, apply it topically, or take internally to soothe your nerves, reduce anxious feelings, and promote a restful night's sleep. To take it internally, you can add a couple drops to warm water as a soothing tea, add a couple drops to an empty veggie capsule, or simply put a drop or two under your tongue. Keeping in mind, I'm only referring to doTERRA's lavender, especially when I talk about internal use. More about that later in this video. You can also make a pillow spray with water and lavender to spray your bedding and pillows for a relaxing scent. Apply diluted lavender on the bottoms of a child's feet to help them unwind at bedtime. You can even use it to give them a gentle hand or foot massage. I'm going to demo a particular way to massage their hand at the end of this video. It's also been shown to be effective at calming anxious feelings in a dental setting. So bring it with you and inhale it and/or apply to pulse points to help you through those stressful situations. You can add 2 to 3 drops to 1 cup of Epsom salt and soak to help relieve stress and tension. Diffuse it at bedtime to promote restful sleep, or during the day for relaxed rejuvenation. And maybe try one of these diffuser blends. Aromatically, essential oils can affect entire body systems and can have a quick shift in our mood and emotions, whether you inhale it from your cupped hands or diffuse it so everyone in the household can enjoy the calming benefits, including your pets. And for seasonal relief, combine 1 to 2 drops of lavender, lemon, and peppermint in a veggie capsule or a small glass of water. You could also make a roller with those same 3 oils for children who need seasonal relief. Let's talk about lavender around the house. Add 10 to 20 drops of lavender to a cup of baking soda and sprinkle on carpets for a natural deodorizer. Let it sit for a bit and then vacuum, or add to wool dryer balls for a refreshing aroma on clothing or towels. Emotionally, lavender is the oil of communication and calm. It is both calming and aids with verbal expression. Have you ever had that feeling when your throat starts to constrict because of your nerves when speaking? Lavender can help with that. Apply topically to your throat before a speaking engagement or a difficult conversation with someone. As you can see, there are lots of ways to use lavender essential oil. Some pairings to consider is partner with lavender with tea tree for your skin irritation needs, or with frankincense for skin restorative needs, and partner with Roman chamomile or vetiver for your calming or sleep promoting needs. Now I'm going to demo how you can give someone a hand massage with lavender or your choice of essential oil. Here we have my granddaughter's 10-year-old hand that I am going to use to demo for the Aromatouch hand technique. And so for this technique, we would typically put 1 to 3 drops into the palm of the hand. Since she is a child, I'm going to use the Lavender Touch that I had spoke about. And when you use the rollers, it's always good to give it a little shake because essential oils and the carrier oil does separate. And I'm just going to add a little bit there. And then whether you use drops or touch oil, you just rub the essential oil into the palm of the hand, and then you gently turn the hand over. And then on the back of the hand, you want to stretch the tissue along this back part of the hand. Then you turn the hand back, and then you do something called the 3-region thumb circles. The 3 regions are 1, 2, 3, but it's basically the whole palm of the hand. And so you start with region 1 near the thumb, and you just do these little circles with your thumb, moving to every region. And you're doing this with medium pressure, using both your thumbs. And then once you do all 3 regions, then we're going to do the 5-zone thumb walk. The 5 zones are from the wrist to the end of each finger. And so the thumb walk starts at the wrist, and then you just are walking your thumbs to the end of the finger. And now I'm going to go to the next finger. And you would do this typically 3 times to each finger. But because this is a demonstration, I am going to do it 1 time to each finger. And then the third step is the interphalangeal pull. And so then we're just simply going to pull the between the fingers, the webbing. And so you're also going to do that 3 times. So it just looks like this: 1, 2, 3. And you just do that again 3 times between each finger. And then that's it. Very simple technique. It's very relaxing to the recipient. Also very relaxing because human touch is very important, but also we're using an essential oil of your choice. I used Lavender Touch. There's other calming oils you can use. And then you would simply put the hand down and then do the same technique to the other hand. And that is the Aromatouch hand technique. Let's talk about quality for a moment, because like I always say, when it comes to essential oils, quality matters. I just demonstrated applying essential oils on my grandchild, and I spoke earlier about internal use of essential oils. It's only because of doTERRA's commitment to quality that we are able to use the oils in the ways that we do. doTERRA works directly with farmers in 46 different countries around the world to source the oils where the essential oil plant climate and soil conditions are ideal for that particular plant to produce the best oil for our use. Plants not grown in their ideal environment or not with the ideal farming practices are not going to have the same chemical constituent profile and therefore will not impact our health in the same way as a cheaper quality oil. Most essential oil companies use brokers and are found to have essential oils that are adulterated in a variety of different ways, even when labeled 100% pure. They may be diluted or have synthetic additives. It's a huge problem in the essential oil industry, and it's why doTERRA created the certified pure tested grade model that they follow, where they are working directly with farmers to ensure best farming practices and also providing the farmers and their communities what they need for a better quality of life. They also perform 8 different tests on the oils once they arrive to doTERRA's lab to further ensure purity and potency. You can learn more about all 8 tests that they perform, plus more about their whole sourcing model and partnerships with farmers, distilleries, universities, and the medical field at the website sourcetoyou.com. I will include that website link in the description of this video for you to learn more about what makes doTERRA unique. I appreciate you watching and hope you learned something useful about lavender essential oil uses. And now I invite you to download my free Essential Oils for Stress and Sleep resource to promote mind and body wellness throughout the day by clicking the link in the description. If you found this content helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more mind, body, wellness videos and sending you much peace. Thank you for watching.